Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to update a TikTok app. For this, open up your Play Store at the beginning and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here TikTok and you will just find out the TikTok app itself. You might get an update option instead of open on the top right corner if you haven't updated it yet. So you can see that I do have an open option. That means I do have an updated version of TikTok itself. And to check this out by yourself, you can tap on this TikTok option and then scroll down. You can see just below what's new that my app was last updated in April 28, 2023. That means it is the latest version of the TikTok itself. You can also check them out and even update it yourself. Alright, the next thing that you can do is go to the settings of your phone and then scroll down, and now you can tap on this apps option. Now tap on manage apps option, and as you tap on manage apps option, you will find out a search bar. Now tap on the search bar and then tap on TikTok option here. As you immediately tap on it, on the bottom you'll get three of the option, that is force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data option. Now tap on clear cache and then tap on OK option. Just by doing it, you have removed all of the cache related to this particular app, which might be the reason of your app not getting updated at all. The next thing that you can do on the setting itself is to tap on the search setting option again and then tap on update. Just right here update. You can see that here is an option of system update. Tap on system update and you can see that you can immediately download the update itself and then make every app updated over Wi-Fi. So this is how you do it. This is how you update your TikTok app. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.